Kia ora tātou katoa te Avatiu. Kare, te popongi mānea, mana kai I Rarotonga nei. Rātoru te o Aukute. Te mako Juliet, kone te awa I Avatiu. Tāmana kone, ke aramahurunga te pai o te marike. Tēnā takoto ki te mai nei. Ke aramau ka akara me te ara te tūranga. Te mea, ko akatua era I te rera ki te katoa tōki ere ki a tūrotona ngai te pai no te marike. E popongi mane arau ki te akara koto te marino te tai. Te era te pai o te akawai kone. Kukupa patrol boat te ia. Mane tika tika o te rā. I mean te tai. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning here on the island of Rarotonga this Saturday morning. And look at that, it's overcast, it's nice and cool, it's not hot. The heat is not on, it's off. It's more cooler. Love it. So, Juliet and I are planning on going for a tour of this boat here. It's open to the public, so we're gonna go check it out. Might take you on a tour with us if they let us film. Okay, da. Check this out. Harriet, no, right there. Putty Harriet's Lane. Okay, this is Josh. He's gonna take us on board to have a tour of this huge Coast Guard boat.
Make them look nice and maintain them as well. So that's a little bit of what I do. We can all come on board.
Yay! Let's go, guys. Let's go for a tour.
Yeah, I know, right?
Woohoo! How exciting! Salute even. Get a salute from these guys.
Right what's over there, that's called our quarterdeck, and they're helping manage the day-to-day while we're here at the pier. When we're not at the pier, it's up at the pilot house, which I'll show you as we make our way up. So, back here, we have a crane that helps offload and unload this little boat. We don't really use this one too much. It's not the best. As you can see, it has a propeller on the outboard. The one that's up there, it's jet drive, like a jet ski. We prefer that one. So, yeah, that's this space.
Just take a
photo. They're not too heavy, but they're pretty big.
Gonna go upstairs. See? Woohoo!
So when we're not hosting
top.
tours,
Beautiful view, huh?
Coast Guard. We have one that looks like the Navy, Seahawk, and then we have
So he's saying that the helicopter lands on here, on this pad here. Pretty cool.
That one can be hangar, so we can wheel it into the hangar. They both, when they land on the deck, we remove the cover over there, and it looks like honeycomb. And the helicopter has this like little hook that comes down and latches latches into that, holding it to the deck, and then we as the crew come out and we tie it down to these cleats right here. And that keeps the helicopter from toppling over. Yep, the hook holds it to the deck and then we hold it to the boat. That's the boat, jet drive. So out the back, the water gets pushed out just like a jet ski. It looks like a whale tail on the top. That can go back down for us to go backwards. So right now it's in the position to go forward. Basically that whole crane puts the boat on the outboard side, drops it in the water, and there's a crew of 3 people or 4 people that ride as it goes down. And my job is to pilot that boat, drive that boat, and also manage the people who are working the crane.
This is the gym area. Oh. Nice. Okay, we're on the left side of the boat now. He showed us, Josh showed us the boat that they have. On the other side, on the right side, now we're on the left. We're going up. Set there. Live boat. Man, the sea's so calm. Very calm. Going up again. There's a lot of steps. Smell the petrol. Petrol.
Got a good picture over there.
Nice one. Okay, this is the lookout. Look at this. Just standing on this thing is scary. Oh, making me get goosebumps. Standing on the edge. And this is where the action is. The engine room. Yeah.
That's how my work list. That's how my work list happens. Oh, this doesn't work. Okay.
Mom. This is the best spot for whale spotting. Yeah, just saw one. Look out there.
You see the whale? Did you see the whale?
A whale came up around here.
Okay, that was it.
There, see it? Around there. That's a whale.
You see? Oh, come on. Get down. Okay. I can't even see. Oh, watch out, watch out.
So, get on up. This is the front deck. This is where the Titanic is. Titanic front of the boat. There's another one.
Oh, I can see the container.
It's all this gadget. It's our harbour. Wharf, I mean. Boat's getting oil. Inside here. It's a master chair there. Map. That's where it happens, guys. It's a bell even.
I'm about to.
Three,
Yeah, I'll
Hi.
Hi.
There's somebody there now.
With the camera.
We're going down. Going down.
Secured space, so unfortunately we can't let anyone in there. And also any videoing devices, you can't wear them in there. That's why there's the little locker space right here. And then we'll come down this way.
Coming down this way, guys. Where can we go? Yeah. This is Officer Country. This is Officer Country, guys.
All the ladders.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is where the officers live on board the boat. We have our number 2 is behind you, our executive officer. We have our commanding officer, which is over there, and then our engineering officer has his own number 2. So, like I said, here's one of those inside firefighting hoses we have. Just like with it, it's inside the boat. We have to get rid of the water somehow afterwards. And then we can come down this way, and I'll show you kind of what
Going down again.
our living space looks like.
Living spaces. See, they even have a water thing here, water fountain thing. Cool. Going down.
Yeah.
Alright, you got another officer there. And look down the hatch.
You going up?
So this is the living quarters for the officers.
So this is one of the living spaces. When people join the Coast Guard and they don't have a guaranteed job, they come in as non-rated. So rate meaning job, so no job personnel. They live in this space. There's 21 that live in there. There's one of them right now. If you take a look in there, you can see, so it's bunk beds, but an extra bunk. So we have 3 bunks. So 3 bunks high. Yep.
Okay, he's saying that this room here houses about 21 officers. Can you believe that?
This is our one with 2 repair lockers, and basically it's just a space where we put all of the things that we
This is
would
all
need
the
for
safety
any
stuff,
sort of
yeah.
problem that could go wrong with the boat.
Turn off
Whether
the
it's
fire if there's
fire
any.
flooding, smoke, yeah, basically anything related to something.
The smoking lamp is extinguished on the ship and on the pier to the unloaded fuel.
Something that's wrong with the boat, we can fix it from one of the 2. We have one here, and we have one at the very back of the boat, just inside.
More steps. Something's so nice.
Goes wrong and people
Noodles.
hurt bad enough that they require
Makes me
surgery,
hungry, I
they
like
come
it
to
too.
the wardroom. So it's 2 functions: the officers' eating quarters, but it's also like a small.
This is where all that nice smell is coming. Oh, wardrobe.
Yeah. So we as military people, we remove our covers
this is
on
the
this
mess
space,
room.
out of respect. So
Where they eat.
in times of war can be utilized as
Get a free meal.
casualties. So like I mentioned, the wardroom would be doing surgeries. You want to come through?
Yeah. This is the
As I
mess.
mentioned, the other space is for surgeries. This can also be dubbed as surgeries, and due to people, not this boat, but like in general as like a sailing community, we take our cover off out of respect for this space as well.
Whoa, muffins. Yeah. There's look like whatever that mushy stuff is. And blue muffins. This is the cereal corner.
So one of our cooks are cooking right now.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's almost lunchtime.
Almost.
His palace right there. Let's have a burger from there. Oh, with cheeseburger.
Where the Chiefs eat. They also have a meeting there as well. You'll note that they have their chief because they have an anchor that you can see on the door there. Right here. That's
Oh,
what
a
they're
chief
serving.
has an anchor on the door.
That's good to know.
That's like the captain.
Female.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
She was in
wow.
her seat.
Too good. Wow, look at that. Chief's call.
So we have our chiefs. They stay in here. They also
that's-
sleep in too high.
That's it.
So everyone else
Harriet
gets too high,
Lane.
as
Oh,
you saw.
that's the name of the captain.
So
Is
it's
Harriet
interesting, Our
Lane.
boat is commanded by.
Okay,
She's the first.
he was
Yeah.
just saying
Yeah.
the chief of the boat
And then,
is
so I
a
mentioned that
female,
we have,
and
people
also
that
the U
can,
is
So
operate
that's
Coast
the head
Guard.
of the U.S.
medical.
Coast Guard.
the
first female.
let's see.
This is
Linda.
where we have our
Yep.
this is where the our sick bay. So if you need someone, if you're feeling sick, you come here. We have
More water.
he's trained as an EMT and paramedic, so he can do that. We also have doctors in the Coast Guard, and we're lucky enough that we're so far from the United States that we have a doctor on board as well. Physician assistant, but we call them both doctors. I live in this space. This is one of those 3 I was mentioning. 21 people live in this one. Not currently. We have like maybe 15, so it's pretty spacious. But yeah, same thing. 3 high. Our locker room.
Coming out again to the light. Oh. The gym was up, eh?
Yeah,
I was going, oh, we're going to come out to the gym. No. Okay, that's the end of our tour with Joshua.
Now we're back in the back. Yep. So another space that's underneath here is where the steering system for the boat is. Unfortunately, we can't show that area because you need boots on in there because there's heavy machinery. Typically.
Yeah, looks like that's the end of our tour. What do you think of the tour, Juliet? Look at the camera. Tell us what you think.
good.
What do you like best about it?
The rooms and the food.
The food?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I like the food area because I'm hungry. I'm starving. I haven't had breakfast. And it's lunchtime. Oh, we're going back up.